Hey everyone, hope you're all doing well. Here's a 60,000 kilometer service update on the SUV. Between the 50 and 60,000 kilometer, we didn't run into any issues except for a slight pulsating feeling in the brake pedal when braking above 80 kilometers per hour. That started around 57,000 kilometers. The front brake discs seem to have some uneven wear, which could be causing the issue. Also, the handbrake feels a little too loose for our liking, so we'll get that tightened up. And if you remember, the transfer case oil and the front axle oil were due for a change at 50,000 kilometers, so we'll have those taken care of as well. After the service, the handbrake felt much more secure, and the transfer case oil was changed as well. However, this particular service center refused to resurface the front brake discs. They recommended replacing the discs along with the front brake pads in the next service, since the pads had some life left in them. The rear brake pads, though, were almost at the end of their usable life, so those were replaced. So let's have a look at the bill. We have washer, the copper washer for the oil sump, oil filter, the pad kit for the rear brakes. We have Maximile Elite, the differential oil, 1.8 liter, indicating that they have just done the rear differential, because if they were to do both, the quantity would be much higher. And they send me the video of draining the rear differential only. Next, we have Maximile brake fluid, 250 ml top up for the brake and clutch system. Maximile Ultra engine oil, 6 liters. MaxiClean, 10 liters DEF. AC filter and Maximile Syntec. I believe that's what they have used for the transfer case oil. In the labor, we have the brake pads change, consumable charges, and the 60,000 kilometer labor. The total amount comes up to 13,600 plus taxes. In the optional service, we have washer fluid, engine coating, MaxiCare Mech Care. I believe this is for the lubrication of door hinges and other things, and MaxiCare headlamp restoration. So the total amount comes up to 18,363 rupees. So that wraps up the 60,000 kilometer service on my Scorpio-N. Stay tuned for more updates like this. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.